Yo, what's up everyone? It's Ben here, and let's talk about the future. Imagine working from a beach. That could be you. AI is opening up crazy income opportunities right now. As Robert Greene said, the future belongs to those who learn more skills. We're diving into the 10 best AI income streams changing the game. By the end, you'll separate the hype from the real deal. Let's go. First up, we're talking about AI content creation. AI tools are your secret weapon. Imagine high-quality blog posts, engaging social media updates, even scripts like this one, all with AI's help. AI can brainstorm ideas, generate outlines, and write drafts, freeing your time for your unique voice. And you don't need to be a coding wizard. Many AI tools are user-friendly, with intuitive interfaces. So whether you're a blogger, social media manager, or content creator, AI can level up your content game. Let's talk about how AI is changing the e-commerce game. It's not just about personalized product recommendations. AI optimizes inventory management and customer service. It predicts customer behavior and pricing, tailor marketing, optimize pricing, and personalize shopping. AI chatbots answer questions, freeing you to grow your business. Ever looked at the stock market and thought, this is way too confusing? AI is stepping into stock trading with serious analytical power. AI algorithms can analyze trends, identify profitable trades, and even execute trades automatically. Use AI to make informed investment decisions. Remember, past performance is not indicative of future results. AI-driven marketing, reaching the right people at the right time. Marketing can feel like a shot in the dark, but AI brings precision to the game. It's about using data to understand your audience. AI analyzes demographics, interests, and behavior, creating hyper-targeted marketing campaigns. That's the power of AI-driven marketing. AI in healthcare. The future of medicine is here. Now let's talk about something that has the potential to change lives. AI in healthcare. AI is already making waves in the medical field, assisting doctors with everything from diagnosing diseases to developing personalized treatment plans. We're talking about AI algorithms that can analyze medical images with incredible accuracy, identify potential health risks early on, and even help researchers develop new drugs and therapies. The goal here isn't to replace doctors, but to give them powerful tools to enhance patient care. AI for customer service, the always-on support team. Let's be real. Nobody likes waiting on hold for hours on end to talk to customer service. That's where AI comes in. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are transforming the customer service landscape, providing instant support and personalized experiences. Imagine chatbots that can answer frequently asked questions, resolve simple issues, and even escalate complex cases to human agents seamlessly. This not only improves the customer experience, but also frees up human agents to focus on more challenging and rewarding tasks. AI in real estate, buying, selling, and investing smarter. AI is transforming the real estate market. AI tools change how we buy, sell, and invest in property. They analyze trends, predict values, and find the best times to act. AI matches your preferences to find your dream home. Whether you're an investor or a first-time buyer, AI helps you make smarter decisions. AI for personal finance. Master your money with AI. Let's talk about something we all care about: money. AI is coming to your wallet to help. AI-powered apps make managing money easier. They analyze spending habits, identify savings, and automate investments. Imagine budgeting tools that work and investment apps tailored to you. Financial advisors available 24/7. That's the power of AI in personal finance. AI in education. Personalized learning for everyone. AI is transforming the way we learn, making education more personalized and accessible than ever before. Imagine AI-powered tutoring platforms that adapt to your learning style, educational games that make learning fun and engaging, and personalized learning paths that help you achieve your academic goals. AI can also help educators by automating administrative tasks, providing insights into student performance, and even identifying students who might need extra support. The goal here is to create a more equitable and effective learning experience for everyone. AI in creative arts. The future of creativity is here. Finally, let's talk about how AI is pushing the boundaries of creativity. AI is making its mark in the world of music, art, and other creative fields. We're talking about AI algorithms that can compose original pieces of music, generate stunning works of art, and even write scripts for movies and TV shows. Now, some people might say that AI can't truly be creative, but I think these tools are simply pushing the boundaries of what's possible, opening up new avenues for artistic expression. The future is now. Start your AI journey today. So there you have it, the 10 best AI income streams that are shaping the future of work. From content creation to healthcare, from e-commerce to the creative arts, AI is opening up incredible opportunities for anyone willing to embrace it. The key is to stay curious, keep learning, and don't be afraid to experiment. If you found these AI income streams inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Start your AI journey today and unlock endless possibilities.